To stray or not to stray, that is the question, as the stray dog debate played out in the Supreme Court yet again, this time in front of a larger bench. Hearing petitions challenging the Supreme Court order to round up all the stray dogs in Delhi within 8 weeks and move them to shelter homes. Another bench of the top court today asked why authorities in several areas started picking up the animals even before the order became public. The court also came down heavily on the authorities of Delhi Municipal Community of the MCD for not implementing guidelines for animal control, leading to the situation. The bench of Justice Vikram Nath, Justice Sandeep Mehta, and Justice N.V. Acharya heard the matter this morning after the August 11th order of the two-judge bench of Justice J.V. Pardiwala and Justice R. Mahadevan sparked a massive row, with animal lovers hitting the streets to protest the order to remove all strays from residential neighborhoods, claiming that the community dogs belong to the community. Appearing for the Delhi government, Solicitor General of India Tushar Mehta pointed to stray dogs attacking children, leading to injuries and even rabies death. Quote, "Children are dying. Sterilization does not stop rabies," he said. Mr. Mehta argued that no one hates animals. Quote, "There are 4 poisonous species among 100. We don't keep them at home. Dogs do not have to be killed, they just have to be separated," he said, citing government data of 37 lakh dog bites cases last year. Parents cannot send their children out to play. Young girls are mutilated, he argued. The solution, Mr. Mehta said, is not in the rules. The court has to intervene. To this, senior advocate Kapil Sharma, appearing for the animal welfare body Project Kindness, said, and I'm quoting, "This is the first time I heard the Solicitor General saying that laws are in place, but they're not to be followed. There are no shelters. The question is, has the municipal corporation built shelter homes? Now dogs are picked up. This needs to be argued in depth. Let the suo motu order be stayed," he said. The August 11 order by the other bench came after the court took note of a news report about rising dog bite cases in Delhi. Arguing that the order to shift all stray dogs in Delhi NCR cannot be implemented, Mr. Sibal said, and I'm quoting, "This order does not apply because there are no shelter homes. The order says stray dogs must be released. This too does not apply because there are no shelter homes again. The order to pick up stray dogs must also be stayed. Where will they be taken? There are no shelter homes." Fearing that the stray dogs once picked up may be killed, Mr. Sibal said, "They will be kept together, food thrown, and they will attack each other. This is pestilence. This cannot be allowed." Senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi, appearing for one of the petitioners, said, "All directions in the August 11 order put cart before the horse. All directions presuppose issues. Available infrastructure is less than a fraction available to accommodate all the dogs. Dog bites are bad," he said, "but you cannot create a horror situation like this." The senior advocate added that well-meaning orders sometimes go beyond the law. Justice Nath came down heavily on civic authorities and said Parliament frames rules and laws, but they are not implemented. Quote, "On one hand, humans are suffering, on the other hand, animal lovers are here," he said. The court has reserved its order.